A currency pair is the quotation of two currencies being traded against each other in the Forex market. It's like a single unit that you can buy or sell. For example, EUR/USD is a currency pair where EUR is the base currency and USD is the quote currency. When you buy a currency pair, you're buying the base currency and selling the quote currency. And when you sell a currency pair, you're selling the base currency and receiving the quote currency. The buy price is called the bid, and the sell price is called the ask. There are three types of currency pairs: major, minor, and exotic. Major currency pairs have the US dollar as either the base or quote currency. They are the most traded pairs and have the lowest spread. The EUR/USD pair alone holds 30% of the entire trade volume in the Forex market. The major currency pairs include the following. Minor currency pairs, also known as crosses, do not contain the US dollar. They have slightly wider spreads but are still sufficiently liquid. The most actively traded minor currency pairs include the euro, UK pound, and Japanese yen. The minor currency pairs include the following. Exotic currency pairs are made up of major currencies paired with currencies of emerging economies. They have lower liquidity and wider spreads compared to major and minor currency pairs. Examples of exotic currency pairs include Hong Kong dollar, Singapore dollar, or Mexican peso. The exotic currency pairs include the following. To summarize, Forex currency pairs are the quotation and pricing structures of two currencies being traded in the Forex market. There are major currency pairs with the US dollar, minor currency pairs without the US dollar, and exotic currency pairs with major currencies paired with currencies of emerging economies. Understanding the types of currency pairs can help you make informed trading decisions in the Forex market. Thank you for watching our animation on Forex currency pairs. Happy trading in the Forex market. Make sure to click the subscribe button for more videos like this.